Now let us see the osteology of the bones of the wrist and the hand. It consists of 8 carpal bones, 5 metacarpals and 14 phalanges. Carpal bones are 8 in number. It consists of, these are arranged in the form of 2 rows, proximal row and distal row. Proximal row there are 4 bones, distal row there are 4 bones. Proximal row includes scaphoid, lunate, triquetral and pisiform. And the distal row includes trapezium, trapezoid, capitate, hamate. Now let us see each carpal bone individually. This is the scaphoid. Scaphoid bone is bone shaped, has constriction in the middle, has tubercle on the distal part of its palmar surface. This is lunate bone. It is like half moon shaped or concentric shaped. Now let us see the triquetral bone. This is triquetral bone, which is pyramidal in shape. Now let us see pisiform bone. This is the pisiform bone, which is P-shaped. This is the trapezium, which is quadrilateral in shape, and it has a tubercle on its palmar surface. This is the tubercle of trapezium. This is trapezoid. It is the small. It looks like small shoe, and it is the smallest bone of second row. Now let us see the capitate. This is the capitate, and it is the largest carpal bone. It has a rounded head on its proximal surface. Now let us see hamate. This is the hamate bone. It has a hook-like process which projects from the distal part of its palmar surface. This is the hook of hamate. Now let us see the metacarpal bones. There are 5 metacarpal bones. Each metacarpal bone consists of a head, a shaft and the base. Head is present distal end and the base is a proximal end and it is expanded. Shaft extends between the head and the base. It is concave on the palmar aspect, and on sides its dorsal surface presents a triangular area in its distal part. This is the head, this is the base, and here the sides are concave and palmar surface is also concave, and this is the distal surface. This is the dorsal surface and presents a triangular area in the distal part. This is the dorsal surface and it presents a triangular area in its distal part. Now these are the phalanges. Phalanges are 14 in number. It consists of a base, shaft and a head. Base, shaft and a head. This is also base, shaft and the head. These are the metacarpals. These are the phalanges. In the base of these are the proximal phalanges. These are the middle phalanges. These are the distal phalanges. The bases of proximal phalanges have a concave oval facet for articulation with the head of metacarpals. These are the concave articular surfaces, whereas the middle and distal phalanges have a pulley-shaped articular surfaces. These are concave, these are pulley-shaped articular surfaces. Now shaft. Shaft tapers towards the head. Shaft tapers towards the head, becomes narrow towards the head. And the dorsal surface is convex from side to side. Palmar surface is flat from side to side. This is the palmar surface and is flat from side to side. Flat from side to side. You can see these are flat from side to side. And the dorsal surface is proximal from side to side. The heads of the proximal and middle phalanges are pulley shaped The head of the distal phalanges are non-articular and have rough horseshoe-shaped tuberosity. Now these are the phalanges, carpals and metacarpals. Thank you.